Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique and welcome back to all my existing subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the little notification bell on the side so you get notified when I upload a new video. Today's episode is about my curry leaf tree. I just recently bought this guy. So it's an outdoor plant, but I'm going to try and grow it indoors. So at the moment we have winter, so it's the end of June and yeah, it's pretty cold. So this tree is native to Asia and doesn't like the cold weather at all. It should get direct sunlight for at least 4 to 6 hours a day, which I will provide in my west-facing window. But it's definitely way too cold to have it outside at the moment, so it doesn't like the cold weather. It's also looking a little bit droopy. As I always say to each and every one of you, don't take your plant home and repot it. It will shock it. We're going to shock this guy. So this is a self-watering pot. So it's got this reservoir. So you can, this is not the best self-watering pot. Some of my other self-watering pots have a bigger reservoir, so the hose bottom is a little bit, there is a bit more room, and is it like a control hole is a little bit bigger, so you can actually stick your finger in and check it. Let's just go ahead and repot it and see how it goes. I'm excited. I'll be putting it into my well draining potting mix. Good mixture of Perlite, premium potting mix, Horticultural charcoal and Orchid mix. As of the pot, so say if I was going to plant this into a nursery pot, I'll just go a slightly bigger size. For example, this is a 3-liter pot. I'll just go for a 4.5-liter pot, just slightly bigger, not too much bigger. If you plant your trees into too bigger pots, it's not, I know what you're thinking, oh yep, I'll put it in a bigger pot, it will grow into it. It's no good. Say if I plant this into this pot, you will get easy a year or two out of it for sure. And with most tree-like or shrub type plants, if they get a little bit root bound, not a problem. So, but what happens if you go too big a pot and then you overwater, you're actually suffocating your plant, and you don't really want to do that. Right guys, another tip, or another thing I'd like to show you. So I kept topping up the pot because I want where the root ball sits about level, right? Not too deep. And also, don't look at the shape of the root ball. So your root ball can be thicker on this side or thicker on that side. It's never even. So try and look at the stem only and have a look that you got the same distance from each side. Just focus on the stem. The curly tree is all repotted. Let's see how it pulls through after. But as you could see, it was really root bound, and I'm glad I transferred into a bigger pot. If the leaves keep being droopy and there's no new growth, I will probably repot it again in spring, but I will leave it alone. Also, the other thing I haven't mentioned yet, I put a bit of sea salt in the watering can. It is not a fertilizer, it is just like a tonic which will help with the root shock. And I'm not sure if you could see it in the video, there was like a little worm in it. I'm gonna leave him in there and let's see what happens. I'll give you an update about this guy in a few months. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, give it a like. Comment in the section below if you got a curly leaf tree inside. I would love to hear about it and how it's going or growing. Alright guys, I'll see you next time at Houseplantpixie. Until then, stay planty. Bye.